Ever wondered if you're getting the most out of your tax write-offs? Well, you're not alone. Tax write-offs, or deductions as they're formally known, are a bit of a puzzle wrapped in a mystery for many of us. It's crucial to understand that tax write-offs are not just for the wealthy or business owners. They're for everyone. From teachers buying supplies for their classrooms to homeowners paying mortgage interest, there are countless ways we all potentially benefit from these deductions. A common misconception is that tax write-offs are some sort of trick or loophole. That's not the case. They're part of the tax code, designed to provide relief for certain expenses. The trick is understanding which expenses qualify and how to claim them properly, so why should you care? Because maximizing your tax write-offs can significantly reduce your tax bill. Now that we understand what tax write-offs are, let's dive into how we can maximize them. First things first, do you know what can be written off on your taxes? It's a question that leaves many scratching their heads. But don't worry, we're here to demystify it for you. You see, expenses that are ordinary and necessary for your business can often be written off. For instance, if you're working from a home office, part of your rent or mortgage might be deductible. How about that business trip you took last year? Yes, business-related travel expenses can be written off too. Further, if you're continually upgrading your skills or studying to improve your business acumen, guess what? Your education expenses might be tax deductible as well. Understanding these categories is crucial. Why? Because it helps you maximize your tax write-offs, and that can lead to significant savings. So dive into your expenses. Get to know them. Because knowing what to write off is the first step. Now on to figuring out how. Step 2 in our journey is all about being meticulous with your records. You see, the secret to maximizing tax write-offs lies not just in knowing what can be written off, but also in being able to prove it. And proof comes in the form of detailed records. Every penny you spend, be it on business supplies, travel, or even meals with clients, needs to be accounted for. Save every receipt, every invoice, every piece of paper that signifies an expense. These documents are your lifeline when it comes to claiming deductions on your taxes. In addition, consider using apps or software to track your expenses. These tools can make the process of record-keeping much more manageable and efficient. Remember, the more detailed your records, the better your chances of getting the most out of your tax write-offs. With your detailed records at hand, you're ready to take the next step. Step 3 in maximizing your tax write-offs is to use a tax professional or reliable software. Now let's break down why this is crucial. Tax professionals are like the Sherpas of the financial world. They have the expertise and experience to guide you through the complex terrain of tax regulations. They know the ins and outs, the loopholes and pitfalls, and they can help you identify additional write-offs you might not have known about. On the other hand, reliable tax software is like having a digital assistant. It can help you organize your records, calculate your deductions accurately, and even fill out the forms for you. It's cost-effective, efficient, and often comes with features to help you save even more. Whether you choose a tax professional or software, remember, the goal is to ensure accuracy while identifying as many write-offs as possible. With the right help, you're well on your way to maximizing your tax write-offs. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap the steps we've covered. First, we delved into the mystery of tax write-offs, setting the stage for our journey into the world of taxes. We then moved on to understanding what can be written off. From business expenses to charitable donations, there's a vast range of deductions that can significantly lower your taxable income. Next, we emphasized the importance of keeping detailed records. Having a meticulous record of your expenses can make the difference between a smooth tax process and a taxing nightmare. It's all about the details. Lastly, we explored the benefits of using a tax professional or reliable software. These tools can help you navigate the complex tax landscape, ensuring you don't miss out on any potential write-offs. Remember, maximizing your tax write-offs is a process, but with these steps, you're well equipped to get the most out of your returns.